Hello, fellow enthusiasts. This is Mighty Machines, and today we're diving into the thrilling world of heavy-duty trucks and ingenious machinery that will leave you in awe. If you're ready, buckle up and get ready to witness some mind-blowing technology in action. Hexatrem Volvo FMX Suzano Wood Transport. Prepare to witness a glimpse into the sustainable future of timber. The Hexatrem Volvo FMX Suzano Wood Transport is revolutionizing the industry with a powerful combination of size and sustainability. Imagine a behemoth, a whopping 54 meters long, consisting of Volvo FMX trucks pulling 6 semi-trailers. The Hexatrem is a machine built for Suzano, a eucalyptus pulp powerhouse. Wood transport isn't a single machine, but rather a powerful combination designed for the specific task of hauling massive amounts of wood. The hauler responsible for pulling the Hexatrem trailer is a Volvo FMX. This heavy-duty truck is specifically designed for off-road applications and harsh environments. These giants conquer private roads within Suzano's reforestation farms, hauling 200 tons per trip. This translates to less time, more volume, and a commitment to eco-friendly practices. Hexatrems are a prime example of how innovation can transform industries, prioritizing efficiency and environmental responsibility. Dive into the future of industrial material handling with the Helrom wagon trailer. This isn't your average trailer, it's a revolutionary machine that redefines efficiency. Forget clunky cranes and time-consuming loading processes. The Helrom boasts a state-of-the-art loading system that operates with impressive automation. Imagine trailers that seem to open magically, streamlining the loading and unloading of goods. This translates to massive time savings, reduced labor costs, and a significant boost in productivity. Turkish Fuel Services, TFS Green. The TFS Green by Turkish Fuel Services isn't your average diesel guzzler. This pioneering machine is leading the charge in sustainable transportation. It is a champion for a cleaner future on the road. TFS Green prioritizes supplying SAF, an eco-friendly alternative to traditional jet fuel. SAF is produced from renewable sources like plant oils or recycled materials, significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions compared to regular jet fuel. Fueled by alternative options like biodiesel and compressed natural gas, this eco-friendly marvel cuts down on carbon emissions in a big way. But don't be fooled by its green heart. The TFS Green packs a punch. Its engine delivers impressive power, ensuring it can handle even the toughest hauls without sacrificing performance. TFS Green doesn't stop at the fuel itself. They've implemented a world-first solution by converting their jet fuel refueling vehicles at Istanbul Airport to electric operation. This significantly cuts down on emissions generated during the refueling process itself. The combined efforts of using SAF and electric refueling vehicles lead to a substantial reduction in TFS's carbon footprint. This not only benefits the environment, but also positions them as a leader in sustainable aviation practices within the global jet fuel industry. Style meets sustainability with TFS Green's sleek design. This machine isn't just good for the planet, it's a head-turner on the highway. Last but certainly not least, the Plantma X is a revolutionary planting machine that elevates efficiency and redefines how we cultivate. This powerhouse combines cutting-edge tech with rugged engineering, making it a champion in even the toughest fields. Its advanced sensors and GPS ensure precise seed placement and optimal spacing, maximizing crop yields. Plus, the Plantma X is surprisingly compact and easily navigates tight spaces. Looking beyond muscle, the Plantma X prioritizes sustainability. Its eco-friendly design minimizes environmental impact while promoting soil health. While the initial cost might seem steep, the long-term benefits are undeniable. Reduced resource consumption, increased productivity, and a healthier future for agriculture. The Plantma X is an investment that empowers farmers to cultivate a brighter tomorrow. That wraps up our exploration of crazy heavy-duty trucks and ingenious machinery that you have to see to believe. Which of these remarkable machines impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Mighty Machines, for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.